Hello everyone, welcome back into this channel, and in this video I would like to show you the way how to repost the Instagram story by iOS or iPhone. So the first thing that you have to do is just go open your Instagram application and make sure that you are signed in and logged in into your account. And after that, you just need to take a look on this upper right side, on the top right corner, and then you just need to go click this DM part right there, and someone mention you on their story will be pop up on your DM, and then you just need to go click it to open it. Now to repost this, you can just directly add to your story, or you can open it first, and after that you just need to go click add to your story. And after that, you can adjusting the size of your content by clicking to make it like fulfilling all of your screen. And whenever you're ready to upload it, now you just need to go click your story, and those content will be uploaded into your Instagram account. So that's the way how to repost Instagram story on your Instagram account. Hopefully this tutorial today is useful for you guys. So don't forget to leave some comment, like, and subscribe into this channel, and I'll see you for the next video.